Okay, right. Sir, there is a demerit, sir, in wholesale premium plan. There is a demerit in wholesale premium plan. That demerit is rectified by row 1. Row 1. Sir, let us explain with one example, sir. Okay, right. Infotech Limited. Infotech Limited. Infotech Limited. Infotech Limited produces a product. Sir, this is software company, sir. So, Infotech Limited is a software company. Company is employing with a single worker. Example, sir, with a single worker or single employee. Right. Namely, Mr. A. Right. Right. A job is allotted to Mr. A and time allowed is 8 hours. So, Monday. Job is allotted to Mr. A, sir. Job is allotted to Mr. A. Time allowed, standard time allowed for a job 8 hours. 8 hours. Next, actual hours worked 8 hours. Time saved nil. Time saved nil, sir. Time saved nil. Okay. Bonus under wholesale plan. Bonus under wholesale plan is equal 50% of time saved into R, sir. So, here time saved nil, sir, nil. Bonus also nil. On Tuesday, one job is allotted. Software works untega. One job is allotted to Mr. A and time allowed is 8 hours. Same type of job allotted to Mr. A. Time allowed for a job 8 hours. Actual working hours just 7 hours. Within 7 hours he is completed. Sir, within 7 hours the job is completed by Mr. A. Job is completed. Job is completed. Time saved 1 hour. Time saved 1 hour. Right. Sir, 50% of time saved, that is 50% of 1 hour into rate per hour. Into rate per hour. 10 rupees. Example 10 ega, sir. Right. So, 1 hour into 50%, 0.5 into 10, 5 rupees. So, bonus under wholesale plan, 5 rupees. Okay, right. Next, Wednesday. Wednesday. Sir, job is allotted to Mr. A. Job is allotted to Mr. A and time allowed 8 hours. Completed in 6 hours. Time saved 2 hours. 50% of 2 hours, 1 hour. 1 hour into 10. 1 hour into 10, 10 rupees. Next, Thursday. Standard time allowed for a job 8 hours. On Thursday, he completed in 5 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours. So 50% of 3 hours, 1.5, 1.5 into 10, 15 rupees bonus. So on Friday, same type of work allotted to Mr. A, standard time allowed 8 hours. He completed just in 4 hours. Oh, so time saved 4 hours. 50% of 4 hours, 2 hours into 10, 20 rupees. 20 rupees. Right. So workers' mindset completely change. Too speed, too much bonus. Sir, too speed to get more bonus. Okay. So ultimately quality will decrease. Quality of work will decrease. On Saturday, allowed time 8 hours. He completed in 3 hours. Time saved 5 hours. Time saved 5 hours. So 50% of 5 hours. 2.5 into 10, 25. 25. 25. Sir, start. Quality of work will decrease. Sunday, 8 hours allowed, but he completed in 2 hours. He completed in 2 hours. So 6 hours, time saved 30 rupees. So this is the demerit, sir. Worker mindset completely change. Too speed to get more bonus. So ఈ మూడవుట్లోంచి వర్కర్ని బయటికి తీసుకోవాలి. సో ఈ demerit, this demerit is rectified by Rowan formula. So bonus under Rowan, is equal to TS by ST into T into R. Here time saved 0, bonus nil. Next, time saved 1 hour divided by standard time 8. Next, actual time taken 7 into 10. Right. 70 divided by 8, 8.75. 8.75. Sir, please observe. In bonus and also premium 5 rupees, bonus and Rowan 8.75, sir. Next, 2 by 8 into 6 into 10. Time saved 2 hours, standard time 8 hours, working hours 6 hours into 10. 6 into 2 into 10 divided by 8. 15 rupees. Oh. Next, time saved 3 hours divided by standard time 8 into 5 hours into 10. 5 hours into 10. 150 divided by 8. 18.75. 18.75. Next, 4 hours divided by 8 into 4 into 10. 4 into 10, 160 divided by 8, 20 rupees. Sir, here one specialty is there. Bonus under Halsey is equal to bonus under Rowan. Is this statement holds good? Yes, this statement holds good when actual time taken is 50% of time allowed. Time allowed 8 hours, but actual time taken is 4 hours. So, actual time taken is equal to 50% of time allowed. In that case, in that point, bonus under Halsey plan is equal to bonus under Rowan plan. Bonus under Halsey plan is equal to bonus under Rowan plan. Okay. Bonus under Halsey plan is equal to bonus under Rowan plan. So, it's very, very important point. Actual time taken is 50% of time allowed. At this point, bonus under Halsey is equal to bonus under Rowan. Next, sir, if worker completed too much speed, so worker goes to too much speed, in that case bonus, please observe, time saved 5 hours by 8 into 3 into 10. 150 divided by 8. So, 18.75. So, worker ganaka moves with too much speed, ultimately bonus declined. So, andukante too much speed ele worker ni shift to Rowan plan. Shift to Rowan plan. Okay, shift to Rowan plan. Ultimately, speed decreases, quality increases. Quality increases. Next, E case code, please observe. 6 hours divided by 8 into 2 into 10. 2 into 10. 120 divided by 8 is equal to 15 rupees. So, gradually down. So, worker moves to speed, ultimately bonus will be declined. Bonus will be declined. So, ultimately is control your speed. So, worker control his speed. So, worker move with too much speed, then shift to Rowan plan. Shift to Rowan plan. So, bonus under Rowan plan is equal TS by ST into T into R. So, Halsey plan lo unna demerit ni. So, demerit of Halsey plan rectified by Rowan plan. So, under Rowan plan, under Rowan premium plan, under Rowan premium plan, under Rowan premium plan, total earnings is equal to basic wage plus bonus, T into R plus TS by ST into T into R. T into R plus TS by ST into T into R. So, TS means time saved, ST standard time allowed, T actual working time, R hourly rate. Right. Next, another note point. Actual time taken is 50% of time allowed actual time taken is 50% of time allowed. At this point, At this point, bonus under Halsey plan is equal to bonus under Halsey plan is equal to bonus under Rowan plan. So, sir, time waste system introduction completed. So, the introduction of time waste system completed. Now, take the problem. Right. Okay. Right. Problem number 5, sir. You are given the following information of a worker. So, of a worker, sir, one worker working details are given. Name of the worker X. Okay. This ticket number, so that is the identification number 002, sir. Identification number 002. Work started April 1st, 2011 at 8 o'clock, morning 8 o'clock, sir. So, target is completed on April 5th, 2011, 12 noon. So, actual working hours, sir. Right. April 1st to April 5th. Sir, daily working hours, sir. Daily working hours. Daily working hours. Daily working hours. 9 hours a day. 9 hours a day. Okay. So, April 1st to 9 hours. April 2nd 9 hours. April 3rd 9 hours. April 4th 9 hours. April 5th 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 4 hours. Add, then we get actual working hours to complete the targeted output. So, actual working hours. So, April 1st, April 2nd, April 3rd, April 4th. 4 9s are 36 plus 4, 40 hours. That is the actual working hours. Actual working hours. So, work allotted production of 2160 units. 2160 units. Work done and approved is 2000 units. Oh, sir, 2160 units produced and transferred to laboratory for testing. In laboratory, approved units, that means good units, is 2000 units. Therefore, actual output should be considered as 2000 units. So, 2000 units. So, actual output here, actual output is 2000 units. Actual time taken for 2000 units, 40 hours. 40 hours. Note down. Problem number 5, sir. Problem number 5. Problem number 5. Actual output (2000 units). Next, actual working hours. Actual working hours for actual output. Actual working hours for actual output. On April 1st, 9 hours. On April 2nd, 9 hours. On April 3rd, 9 hours. On April 4th, 9 hours. On April 5th, sir, on April 5th, 12 known की target completed sir. So 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 4 hours. 4 hours. So 40 hours. 40 hours. So total actual working hours. So actual working hours. AHRT. Next, sir, company experience is also mentioned in the problem. Standard time allowed for 40 units is equal to 1 hour, sir. Standard time allowed for 40 units is equal to 1 hour. Standard time allowed for 40 units is equal to 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour. Right, sir, here actual output is 2000 units. So standard time allowed for 2000 units is equal for 40 units. For 40 units 1 hour. For 2000 units question mark. So that is equal to 50 hours. Therefore time saved equal to SH minus AH. SH minus AH. SH sir 50 hours. AH sir 40 hours. So equal to 10 hours. 10 hours. Okay. Next, last one. Wage rate per hour, sir. Wage rate per hour. R equal to 25 rupees. 25 rupees. Okay. Right. Sir, finally details of problem number 5. Actual output 2000 units. Actual working hours for actual output 40 hours. Standard time allowed for 40 units 1 hour. So next, standard time allowed for 2000 units, that means standard time allowed for actual output 50 hours. Time saved equal to SH minus AH 10 hours. Wage rate per hour 25 rupees. Right. So what to calculate, sir? What to calculate? Problem number 5. What to calculate? You are required to calculate the remuneration of the worker on the following basis: Halsey plan and Rowan plan. Halsey plan and Rowan plan. Okay. Halsey plan and Rowan plan. Right. So first Halsey plan, sir. Under Halsey plan, you are required to calculate remuneration of the worker. Remuneration of the worker. Remuneration of the worker under Halsey plan. Under Halsey plan. Remuneration of the worker under Halsey plan. So earnings equal to earnings equal to basic wage plus bonus. Sir, basic wage T into R plus bonus 50% of time saved into R. 50% of time saved into R. So T into R plus 50% of time saved into R. Right. Sir. Actual time taken, sir. Actual time taken 40 hours. 40 hours into hourly rate. Rate per hour 25 rupees plus 50% of time saved 10 hours into rate per hour 25. That is equal to basic wage, sir, 40 into 25,000. 40 into 25,000. Next, 50% of 10 hours, 5 hours. 5 hours into 25 is equal to 125. So finally 1,125. 1,125. Answer correct, sir. Answer correct. Next, remuneration of the worker under Rowan plan. Remuneration of the worker. Remuneration of the worker under Rowan plan. Remuneration of the worker under Rowan plan. Earnings equal to basic wage plus bonus. Basic wage T into R. Bonus, sir, under Rowan plan bonus equal to TS by ST into T into R, sir. Time saved divided by standard time into T into R. Apply the values. So here actual time worked 40 hours, sir. 40 hours into rate per hour 25 rupees. Rate per hour 25 rupees, sir. Plus time saved 10 hours. 10 hours by standard time allowed. Standard time allowed for actual output 50 hours. 50 hours into 40 into 25 is equal to 40 into 25 is equal to 1000. Next, bonus, sir. 40 into 25 into 10 divided by 50. 200. 1,200 rupees. 1,200 rupees. 1,200 rupees. Okay, right. So this is the remuneration of the worker under Rowan plan, 1,200 rupees. Correct answer, sir. So first one, second one completed, sir. Next, third bit. Find the labor cost per 100 units labor cost per 100 units, sir. Suppose labor cost per piece, total earnings of the worker divided by actual output of the worker. So that is the per piece. Sir, Mari, 100 pieces, sir, multiplied with 100, sir, multiplied with 100, then we get labor cost for 100 pieces. So labor cost per 100 pieces under wholesale plan. Labor cost per 100 units, under wholesale plan. Labor cost per 100 units under wholesale plan. Sir, per unit, sir, per unit earnings of a worker under wholesale plan, earnings of a worker under wholesale plan, sir, that is 1125. These earnings can be expressed either in units basis or in hours basis. Here questionnaire asked unit basis, sir. So 1125 divided by actual output of the worker, actual output of the worker, that is equal earnings of worker under wholesale plan 1125, sir, 1125. Actual output of the worker, actual output of the worker 2000 units, sorry, 2000 units, sir, 2000 units, 2000 units, 2000 units, right. Per piece, sir, 1125 divided by 2000 is equal to 0.5625 into 100, sir. So into 100, that is labor cost per 100 units, into 100 is equal to 56.25 rupees. So that is the labor cost per 100 units, sir, 56.25 rupees, 56.25. Okay, right. Next, sir, under row 1 plan, labor cost per 100 units, under row 1 plan, So that equal to earnings of worker under row 1 plan, earnings of a worker under row 1 plan, earnings of a worker under row 1 plan, earnings of a worker under row 1 plan divided by actual output of the worker, earnings of a worker under row 1 plan, sir, earnings under row 1 plan 1200 rupees, right. These earnings can be expressed either in units basis or in hours basis. So here questionnaire asked units basis. So per unit, sir, 1200 divided by 2000 units, per unit, sir, 1200 divided by 2000 per unit answer 0.6 into 100 is equal to 60 rupees. 60 rupees. 60 rupees. 60 rupees. Okay, right. So problem finished, sir. Okay, right. Next problem, sir. Sixth one, sir. A skilled worker in XYZ Limited is paid a guaranteed wage rate, that means time wage rate. Guaranteed wage rate is nothing but time wage rate. So guaranteed wage rate or time wage rate, both are same. So hourly payment 30 rupees, sir. Hourly payment 30 rupees. Company follows guaranteed wage rate, that means time wage rate system. Time wage system. Company follows time wage system. A worker is paid at a fixed rate per hour. Hourly payment, sir, 30 rupees. Next one. The standard time per unit for a particular product is 4 hours. So company reveals our experience. Past experience reveals 4 hours required for 1 unit. So that means time allowed for 1 unit equal to 4 hours. Time allowed for 1 unit equal to 4 hours. Next, a machine man. So worker name P. Post machine man. So Mr. P working as a machine man. Mr. P is working as a machine man, sir. Has been paid wages under the Rowan incentive plan. Oh. So he is getting wages under Rowan incentive plan. So T into R plus TS by ST into T into R. Right. Next. And he had earned effective hourly rate. So earnings of a worker under Rowan plan expressed in hourly basis. So earnings can be expressed either in units basis or hours basis. Here hours basis. So effective rate of earnings per hour. Effective rate of earnings per hour 37.50. So total earnings of a worker under Rowan plan. Total earnings of a worker under Rowan plan expressed in hours basis, that is 37.5. So on the manufacture of that particular product. So given details. Problem number 6. Problem number 6, sir. Given name of the worker P, working as a machine man, so no need to write. Next, company follows time wage system, hourly payment or hourly rate. Hourly rate R equal to hourly rate R equal to 30 rupees per hour. 30 rupees per hour. R equal to 30 rupees per hour. Next, company experience reveals time allowed for 1 unit equal to 4 hours. Standard time allowed for 1 unit for 1 unit equal to 4 hours. 4 hours. P is working as a machine man. Okay. Right. He has been paid wages under row 1 plan. His earnings is expressed in hourly basis, that is effective rate of earnings per hour under Halsey scheme. Under row 1 scheme. So under row 1 scheme. So effective rate of earnings. 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 Effective rate of earnings per hour. Effective rate of earnings per hour under row 1 plan. Under row 1 plan. Effective rate of earnings per hour under row 1 plan 37.5. So effective rate of earnings per hour under row 1 plan 37.5. Okay. Next, sir, here standard time allowed for 1 unit equal to 4 hours, sir. Standard time allowed for 1 unit equal to 4 hours. So 1 minute. Standard time allowed for 1 unit equal to 4 hours. 1 unit means a particular product, that means 1 unit. So standard time allowed for a particular product. Standard time allowed for a particular product. Particular product. Standard time allowed for a particular product is equal to 4 hours. Standard time allowed for a particular product equal to 4 hours. That is denoted by SH. That is denoted by SH. So these are the details. So available in company records. Right. Sir, what could have been his total earnings and effective hourly rate condition had he been put on Halsey? So this person placed, if this person placed under Halsey, how much earnings you get? So how much earnings have you get? So that means total earnings under Halsey. First we have to calculate total earnings under Halsey and also calculate hourly rate, effective hourly rate. So if this person, that means P, that is P. So if this worker had he been put on Halsey, what is the earnings? What is the total earnings? What is the total earnings? Formula. Total earnings formula. Total earnings, basic wage plus bonus. Basic wage T into R. Basic wage T into R plus bonus 50% of time saved into R. 50% of time saved into R. Sir, here rate per hour is available, sir, but actual time taken is not available, sir. Please find out. Sir, how to find out actual working hours? That is T or AH. Right. Sir, here a clue is there. Effective rate of earnings per hour under row 1 plan. Sir, effective rate of earnings per hour under row 1 plan is equal to total earnings of a worker under Rowan plan, total earnings of a worker under Rowan plan divided by these earnings expressed in hours basis. So, by T is equal to 37.5. So, total earnings of a worker under Rowan plan divided with the T, that is 37.5 per hour. So, total earnings is expressed in hours basis, that is 37.5. Right, total earnings of worker under Rowan plan, formula T into R basic wage plus bonus TS by ST into T into R, T into R plus TS by ST into T into R divided by T is equal to 37.5. Now apply the values. Set T, finding factor, hourly rate 30, the hourly rate 30, time saved SH minus AH, standard hours allowed for actual output minus actual hours taken for actual output by standard time allowed, that means SH into T into 30. So, cross multiplication. So, T into 37.5 T. Right, next 37.5 T. Right. SH standard hours given in the problem, standard hours allowed, standard time allowed for a particular product 4 hours, minus actual hours taken T unknown, next by 4 hours into 30 T is equal to 37.5 T. This 30 T transferred to left side or sorry, right side minus 30 T is equal to 7.5 T. The into 30 T transferred to right side by 30 T. Finally 4 hours minus T divided by 4. So, T cancels here. 7.5 divided by 30 is equal to 0.25. 4 minus T divided by 4. Sir, cross multiplied. 4 into 0.25. 1. 4 minus T. So, minus T transferred to right side plus T. So, T equal to is transferred to left side 4 minus 1. So, that is equal to 3 hours. Therefore, actual working hours for a particular product actual working hours for a particular product AHRT is equal to 3 hours. Time saved equal to formula set time saved equal to SH minus AH. SH stands for standard hours allowed for actual output. AH stands for actual hours taken for actual output. So, SH minus AH. Sir, SH 4 hours, AH 3 hours, is equal to 1 hour. Right. What to require, sir? Had he been put on Halsey, what is his total earnings? So, total earnings under Halsey, total earnings under Halsey plan. Total earnings under Halsey plan, sir, is equal to total earnings under Halsey plan is equal to basic wage plus bonus. Basic wage T into R plus bonus under according to Halsey, bonus is 50% of time saved into R. 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 Now, right. Basic wage T 3 hours. Rate per hour 25 rupees, sir. 30 rupees, sir. Rate per hour 30 plus 50% of time saved. 50% of time saved 1 hour into hourly rate 30 rupees. Right, 90. Sir, 1 hour time saved, sir. 50% pass on to employee, 50% pass on to management. So, ultimately 50% transfer to company, 50% transfer to employee. Right. So, half an hour and half an hour into 30. So, 15 rupees. So, 105 rupees. Right. His total earnings is expressed in hourly basis. That is the effective hourly rate. Effective hourly rate. Effective hourly rate under Halsey plan. Right, is equal total earnings under Halsey plan, total earnings under Halsey plan divided by hours basis, sir. Earnings can express in hours basis as well as output basis. Here question is asked hours basis. So, effective hourly rate divided by T, sir, 105. So, total earnings and Halsey plan 105 divided by actual time taken 3 hours. So, 105 divided by 3 is equal to 35 rupees per hour. 35 rupees per hour. So, correct, sir. Okay. So, problem number 6 completed, sir. Next, sir. Problem number 9, sir. Jaico Limited has its factory at 2 locations. So, company having 2 factories in 2 different locations, sir. Nasik and Satara. Rowan plan is used at Nasik factory. In Nasik factory, earnings are paid under Rowan plan. Under Satara factory, earnings are paid under wholesale plan. Okay. Standard time and basic rate of wage are same for a job which is similar. Oh, sir, job work is similar, sir. Job work is similar in both factories. So, hourly payment is same. Standard time allowed is same. Okay, next. And is carried out on similar machinery. Similar machinery. So, both factories machineries are same. Next, normal working hours is 8 hours per day in a 5 days week. That means available working hours 5 days into 8, 40 hours. Next, available working hours 40 hours, 5 days into 8, 40 hours. Next, job in Nasik factory is completed in 32 hours. Oh, 32 hours. Sir, allowed time, sir. Allowed time. Standard time allowed 5 days into 8 hours, 40 hours. But job is completed in Nasik factory 32 hours. While in Satara factory 30 hours. So, early finishing. So, early finishing means bonus allowed, sir. Right. Conversion cost at Nasik and Satara 5,408, 4,950. Overhead account for 25 rupees per hour. Overhead account for 25 rupees per hour. That means overhead rate per hour. So, 1 hour overhead cost estimation 25 rupees. What to require? So, to find out the normal wage, sir. To find out the normal wage. To find out the normal wage. Right. To find out the normal wage and to compare the respective conversion costs. Respective conversion costs. So, details, sir. Company having 2 factories in 2 different locations. In 2 different locations. That is Nasik and Satara. Nasik and Satara. Next, under Nasik factory, earnings are paid under Rowan plan. Under Satara factory, earnings are paid under wholesale plan. Okay. Next, in two locations, job work is same. Job work is same. So, that means wage payment per hour same, rate of payment per hour same, standard time allowed same, and uses similar machines in 2 locations. So, machinery is same, rate of wage, rate of payment, that is hourly rate of payment same. Next, standard time allowed same. Right. Next, normal working hours. Normal working hours, that means standard time allowed for this job 5 days into 8 hours, 40 hours. 40 hours. Okay. Next, job in Nasik factory is complete in 32 hours. So, time saved in Nasik location, in Nasik factory location, time saved equal to 40 minus 32, 8 hours. In Satara 40 minus 30, 10. Next, conversion cost at Nasik 5,408. Conversion cost in Satara 4,950. Sir, what is the meaning of conversion cost? What is the meaning of conversion?